Hi all, welcome to Positional Trading Review for the month of May 2021. This video is to review the positional trades taken during the month of May 2021. We generally share our positional trading plan and the trading levels at the start of every month, that is every new monthly expiry contract. And this video is to review how those positional trades panned out at the end of the month. As you all know, we trade only on 8 stocks, that is the Infi, ITC, JW Steel, Lupin, Reliance, Sun Pharma, Bharati Airtel and ICICI Bank, and 2 indices which is Nifty and Bank Nifty every month. We also have automated alerts being triggered whenever we take a trade. You can subscribe for this service completely free of charge using the link in the description section of this video. So let's begin our review for the trades taken during May 2021. This was a very choppy month after a long while. Let's start with the indices first. First, Nifty. Short side trade on Nifty was triggered at the start of May month expiry and hit the target one quickly, but it bounced back. We didn't book at the target one and it hit our trailing stop loss and we had to exit at cost. Nifty was in the no trade zone for the whole month and gave the long side entry in the last week of the expiry and gave the first target as well. But generally, we avoid taking new trades in the last week of the expiry, so we had to avoid this trade. Next is Bank Nifty. It followed Nifty precisely. Short side trade was triggered at the start of the May month expiry and it hit the target one but bounced back quickly. We didn't book at target one and it hit our trailing stop loss and we had to exit at cost. Bank Nifty was in the no trade zone for the whole month and gave the long side entry in the last week of the expiry and it gave the first target as well. But generally we avoid taking new trades in the last week of the expiry, so we had to avoid this trade as well. Moving on to the stocks, the first in the list is Bharati Airtel. In Bharati Airtel, long was triggered at the start of the expiry and it hit the target 1 and 2 quickly and moved towards target 3. But then it started dropping. We didn't book it and it hit our trailing stop loss and we had to exit at target 1 with 10 points. It was in the no trade zone for the whole month and it gave the short side entry in the last week of the expiry. But generally, we avoid taking new trades in the last week, so we had to avoid this short side trade. Next on the list is ICICI Bank. It again followed Nifty and Bank Nifty with the pinpoint precision. Short side trade was triggered at the start of May month expiry and it hit the target one quickly and bounced back. We didn't book it at the target one and it hit our trailing stop loss and we had to exit at cost. It was in the no trade zone for the whole month and gave the long side entry in the last week of expiry and it gave the first target as well. But you know the rules very well. We generally avoid taking new trades in the last week of monthly expiry, so we had to avoid this trade. Next on the list is Infosys. The short side trade on Infosys was triggered first, but it quickly bounced back and formed a bullish engulfing pattern in the daily chart. So we had to exit this short side trade with a small loss. It was in the no trade zone for the whole month and it gave the long side entry in the last week of the expiry and gave the first target as well. And as always, we have avoided this trade as well. The next one is ITC. It was a clear long side trade and it gave all three targets cleanly. This was one of the very good trades that we have taken in this expiry. Next is the JSW Steel. Do you remember what happened to JSW Steel in the last expiry? It went to the sky. It had an unimaginable rally, so we had to be very careful with this trade. First, long side entry was triggered, and since it had already had a huge rally in the previous month, we had to be very careful. It went close to the target 2 and then it started dropping, so we had to exit at target 1. Like we expected, it dropped like a rock in the next few days and gave the short side entry in the next few days as well. In the short side, it gave the first target really quickly, but if you look at the chart, there is a clean support near our target 1. So we had to exit at target 1. It bounced back from the support and it gave another short entry in the next few days, but we didn't take the trade as the stock is extremely volatile. This stock took a lot of work and a lot of our time. We generally avoid this kind of trades. We should have followed that approach here as the returns from this trade isn't worth the effort. Next on the list is Lupin. This is a pure long side trade. This stock took off like a flight and it didn't even give any chance to enter as we missed the initial entry and there was no pullback as well. It gave all three targets in the same day and the second long was triggered on the same day and it gave two targets on the second long also on the same day. This is a rare trade. Though we missed the first trade here, second trade gave a very good profit of 50 points. We exited at the OI resistance of 1200, but it continued to move up in the next few days and went close to our target 3. But since we had already booked at target 2, we were just looking at the volatility. This one candle triggered both the long trades. Though we missed our first trade, the second trade gave us 50 points. Next one in the list is Reliance. The short side trade was triggered at the start of May month expiry and it hit the target 1 quickly and went very close to target 2 and the OI support of 1900. But then it bounced back and we booked it at the target 1 as it hit our trailing stop loss. It was also in the no trade zone for the rest of the month, so we didn't had any other trade. Last one on the list is Sun Pharma. Two long side trades were triggered in quick succession in Sun Pharma. The first trade gave all three targets really quickly, while the second trade gave 20 points and we had to exit at target 1 with small profit. This was again another good trade. Like I mentioned earlier, this was one of the very difficult months to trade as the market remained choppy and directionless until the end of the month. It looks very bullish now, and if it closes above its all-time high on a daily chart, we may see further rally for at least few hundred points. Hope you have traded on some of these instruments and made some profits. Please share your experience or feedback with us if you have taken any of these trades. If you have any questions or clarifications on taking the positional trades, feel free to ask in the comment section. So, are you ready for trading using the June month levels? We have already shared the trading levels for the month of June in our Market Secrets and Positional Alerts channels. To get the automatic alerts whenever positional trades are triggered based on our levels, you can join our Positional Alerts Telegram channel. I'll leave the link to the channel in the description section of this video. Do you want to learn how to use the monthly levels file? Then check out our video on positional trading using monthly levels. I'll leave the link to the video in the description section of this video. You can use our level strategy along with basic technical analysis to mint money in positional trading. And finally, do you want to learn how to generate these levels and need full-fledged training on intraday, swing, positional and options trading? Then you can consider joining our Professional Traders program, otherwise called as PTP. I'll leave the link to our training program in the description section of this video. Also, if you want to trade on stocks other than the 8 stocks shared in our Positional Alerts channel, you can use our monthly levels file in our website, which has trading levels for all the FNO stocks. I'll leave the link to our website in the description section of this video. For any other queries, you can reach us anytime through WhatsApp or Telegram. Our contact details are available in our website. And lastly, thanks for taking time out of your day to watch this video. I hope it was useful. Hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video or conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.